Hey guys, it's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am back again with another unboxing. No laptop this time, and with a different camera angle. I did a little work after that last video, which was my HP OmniBook Ultra unboxing video. Did a little work, modified a few things to get an overhead shot that I wanted to get. I thought I wanted to do a video with an overhead shot because this, I think, is better for unboxings. And in the future, I think I'm going to try to continue to use this rig after I get a proper rig, or while I'm waiting on a proper rig. So I think this video is going to be a little bit better as far as unboxings go. Again, my space on my desk is limited, so this is a smartphone, the NUU B30 5G that I'm going to unbox here today. So it's quite a bit smaller than a laptop and easier to handle and easier to show, I think. So let's do it. Let's get into this new NUU B30 5G and take a look and see what we got here. This just showed up today, actually, and I did my unboxing. I got to sharpen my knife, I think. I did my unboxing of my HP, and I thought to myself, man, I really wanted to get another video with this overhead shot, and this showed up, and I'm like, well, here you go. This is the opportunity. So this is an Android smartphone, and it is a 6.7-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus curved display, dragon tail front glass, and gorilla back glass. I don't know what dragon tail is. I've never heard of that. But here it is. It says, welcome to the family. NUU, we're here for you. We'll put that to the side, and you get little bits here. It looks like your IMEI identification, and you get yourself a nice brick here with, let's see what, I think this supports fast charging. It's got that's a 30 watt fast charging adapter. That's what this is. Quick adapter, yep. 30 watt fast charging adapter. Looks very similar to anything you would get from Samsung or Apple. That's just a brick. Get a SIM injection tool. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable. And probably paperwork is my guess. Let's see. Oh, whoa, hello. Oh, okay. You get a case. It's like a smoke-colored case. It's just a TPU case. It's nothing hugely mind-blowing. You get some new stickers. And, of course, your documentation and setting up your phone business. We'll put that to the side. Let's close this knife, otherwise I'll cut my fingers off or at least hurt them since it's not as sharp as I'd like. And here is your phone. And it says, we're here for you. Thank you for choosing NUU for live customer support and product registration. Contact us via NUUmobile.com or by using these QR codes, which are right there. So that is just some information. We'll just take that off, put that to the side, and there's your NUU branding. Bring that up closer. This is the reason why I'm doing this new camera angle. Try to get a better view of the phones and a better view of the product. And here's the bottom. Looks like the bottom has a USB-C, SIM card tray, speaker, and the microphone. Very shiny. Very shiny on the exterior here. The frame reminds me of the old Samsung phones. Kind of hard to show that, but looks like a volume rocker and power button, and like I said, very, very shiny. It's going to pick up fingerprints like crazy. And on this side, we have microphone, a couple microphones, and looks like another speaker. So probably stereo speakers. And nothing on this side. Looks like pretty, and very much reminds me of the old Samsungs. Also reminds me of Vivo. Has that glass curve when it powered up. And there's your camera modules. They look similar to the iPhone. Here's the iPhone. Right there. And here's the NUU. The only difference is the iPhone has that rectangular shroud or whatever you want to call it. Color looks nice. It's comfortable in the hand. And there is the setup screen. Very bright, so it's washing out the camera. But let's see here. Let's go to English. Yes, English, United States. Let's set this up real quick. I'm going to set this up real quick, and then I will be right back so you can take a look at the screen. Pull that brightness down, and we can take a look at the screen. All right, I am back, and we are in. I went and skipped all the Google stuff, the googly stuff, and did not set it up to use right away because I wanted to get right in and show you the screen. Because the camera does not do well grabbing the display when it's really bright. This is almost to the lowest brightness as we can get. It's probably about 20%. So that way you guys can see the screen. But that is the display, and you have there the pinhole camera, and that shows that is the front-facing camera right there. And of course, one thing I'll say is there's a lot of new NUU. I think that's how you pronounce it. New stuff on here. So when I went to set it up, they want you to go through and accept their terms and do all this other kind of stuff. So just be aware of that there are some things. You can opt out of most everything. So that's what I did. I just opted out of everything. But that is the display. And let me go ahead and jump over to my desktop so you can take a look at we can talk about the price and the rest of the features on this. It does have an in-display fingerprint sensor. It works pretty good. It only took a second to set up. Very nice, very quick. 6.7-inch AMOLED FHD Plus curved display, Dragon Tail front glass, and Gorilla back glass. Or has a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset with 8 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of extended RAM and an octa-core up to 2.6 gigahertz clock speed. The refresh rate on the screen is 120 hertz, which is nice. Should be good for gaming. Depends on the MediaTek processor. See how good that handles it. 64 megapixel main camera with image stabilization. Doesn't say if that's optical or digital. So we'll have to figure that out. 8 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel macro lens, and 32 megapixel front selfie camera. Now, we'll mention megapixels. Megapixels don't always matter, so just be aware of that. The more megapixels you have doesn't mean your sensor is that great. It just means you have more megapixels. So sensors are a real big thing. We will obviously take pictures with this, and I'll post them up on Flickr like I always do with my smartphone reviews. AI-powered camera with 14 scene recognitions featuring Google Photos Magic Editor. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, that is good. With a 30-watt fast-charging adapter. 50% charge in less than 30 minutes. Powered by Android 14 and Google Gemini. You get the 5G phone, the protective case, the charging adapter, and the USB-C cable in the box. Let's scroll down a little more and see what else we got. Early bird special, $259.99. Okay, and they give you the highlights: stunning display, fast and smooth, triple camera excellence, empowering connectivity, all-day battery, explore more, visually stunning. All right, they're just kind of giving you the overview. 550 nits of brightness, which is nice. It's good to have a good bright screen, and it is a pretty bright screen. 394 ppi and the pixel density. So there is now I will say in the past MediaTek has gotten a bad rap in the past, way back in the past when I was dealing with smartphones a long time ago. But I think MediaTek has actually improved, and while they're not Snapdragon, I think that their performance has improved. And these budget phones and mid-range and budget phones have gotten so much better. And I mean, I'm expecting good things out of this for this price point. For $259, I think that this is going to be a really nice phone. Can't wait to actually use it, and we'll report back on that for sure. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is nice. 11 hours of video, 8 hours of web browsing, 15 hours of music, 29 hours of talk. Android 14, which is always good, and it works with Google Gemini. We've talked about all this already. What's inside your NUU B30? Okay, they just give you the same stuff here. Here's the networks. Now, this is probably a good place to see which networks are going to support this phone. You might want to make note of that, because make sure it works on your network. So there it is, guys. Let me pop back over to the desktop, and we will pop this on real quick. Let me just do that again so you guys can see there. That's the fingerprint sensor. Pretty quick, except for I can't see the screen because it's so dim, so I don't know where I'm actually putting my thumb. But there, that is the B30 5G from NUU. I'm pronouncing it NUU. And that is a budget I would say it's a budget. It's on the high end of a budget smartphone. Mid-range is a little bit more than this. Mid-range is like $299 and up. This is a budget phone for sure. But I mean, they've done so many good things with budget phones lately. And it's just a nice looking device. And I don't think a lot of people are going to be happy with this just fine. They're just not. You don't need an iPhone these days or a Samsung Galaxy. I mean, this is really all you need. Most people would be happy with this, I think. I don't think that this is going to. I mean, you can pay $260 for this, or you can pay what I paid. What I paid for this, which is a lot of money. So, is there a build quality difference? Of course. This is titanium, and it's really nice. It feels nice in the hand, but this feels nice too. And really, $259. I don't think you can beat that. All right, guys, that is it for this video. This is the NUU B30 5G. This is on sale on their website for $259.99. I'll link it below, and then hopefully, I say this in every video, but hopefully I'll have a review soon of this phone as soon as I can get to actually sitting down and writing reviews again. So many videos to make, so many things to cover. Hopefully at least these overviews and unboxings are helping you out, and you can see what these devices are all about. Thanks for hanging in with me too. Trying to make these new camera angles, trying some stuff, trying to really just do my best to give you the content that you guys want to see. Unabashed, no fancy stuff. Just it is what it is. So, hey, thanks a lot, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow, hit the notification bell, and make sure you share with your friends. And we will talk to you on the other side.